whole stack of pancakes.
Hello and welcome back. It has been a long time between posts. That's because our two boys have helped my wife and I unlock the forever exhausted life. But we're not playing in that mode today. Today we are making Greek yogurt waffles. To get started, into a large bowl we will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a good pinch of salt, before adding 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, swapping out your hands for a wooden spoon, and then adding 1/4 cup of milk. Go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then crack in 2 eggs.
I crack one. Woohoo!
By this stage, things should be smelling good.
Yeah, smell.
But they're only going to get better because we're adding butter. 3 tablespoons or 40 grams of melted unsalted butter. Now if you wanted to make these savoury waffles you can stop there, but we aren't, so we're going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. I'll mix those ingredients together as well as your little arms can manage, and then this batter is ready for our iron that should have been preheating that whole time. Add about 1/3 of a cup to each side, press down and leave until you get this beautiful and golden brown. Now these can be frozen or put in the fridge. They can then go in the toaster to warm back up, but we're eating them now topped with maple syrup and strawberries. I think that's a pretty good reception. Thank you very much folks for watching. I will try and get back to uploading more regularly than once every 18 months. This has been Lunch for Louie. Bye.